literature, Indian literature. But even though when we talk about Indian literature, we are not so much into literature from Bihar. And the thing is that I did my MPhil and PhD, particularly in women's writing, and even in that, all those works related to Indian women authors. And that's why when I was checking that is there any work on that I can build up my topic, on that I can go in depth and deal with all those things that's are there available in Bihar. So I came across two books, and these are the book all of you know about. One popular author right now we have Abhay Kumar, and we also have other like Ram Bhagwan Singh. There's also one of the very prominent writer from author. So Ram Bhagwan Singh sir and also the Abhay Kumar. These two authors, they actually they wrote on the enriched culture of Bihar, and they wrote research, not just research article, but also compilation or anthology of Bihar poets and poetry. So that's why from there I actually got interested, and I actually built up this interest that I'm going to work on all those women authors and whosoever wrote poems related to all those universal themes, whether these themes seems like very subjective, but even though when we talk about all those confessional author or maybe authors from American Indian, not just Indian women author, their themes and their all those concepts are related to even American women authors or British women authors. So we need to actually broaden our this horizon, that we are not so limited in our ideas, but even women authors from Bihar, they write on all those themes and they focuses, and these themes are universal in their appeal, and these themes are also universal and not just subjective. So ma'am, please go on with the second slide. So these are the key themes that I have included in my research article, and this is just a PPT, so we won't be able to cover up everything, but still I am trying my best to talk about all those important chunks and sections from the research article. So these are the key terms: contemporary Indian English poetry, Bihar, women poets, eco-criticism, Indian feminism, regional literary studies, memory, gender, subjectivity. So when I actually have gone through 10 or 8 to 10 women poets from Bihar, so these are the certain themes and these are the certain theories that I came across. So whether we talk about Indian feminism or gender subjectivity, even psychoanalysis, eco-criticism, every themes are actually relevant when we talk about women poet from Bihar, whether it's your Punita Jha or Surbhi Sonam, and even other, not just women poets, also men poets. So these are my ideas that we can also apply contemporary theories as well as Western theories as well as Indian theories when we talk about poets and poetess of Bihar. Ma'am, please go on with this next slide. So these are the research context ki why I actually plan to write a research article, because the very first idea that came across in my mind is that there is a lack of recognition for Bihari poets in academic, in syllabi, in curriculum, and as researcher, as a scholar, this is our duty and responsibility that we are from Bihar. We should work on that, and we should not just work on that, but also popularize these ideas and their works and these poets. So a few books that in general inspired, the first book is the book of Bihari literature, and the second one is Bihar Literary Quest, English Poetry from Bihar. The first one is written by Abhay K. Kumar, and we know that he is also a person from bureaucrat department, and Abhay Kumar in general, he wrote so many books related to whether it's your Nalanda, history of Nalanda, or maybe history of African literature. So he actually did a very, you can say that, commendable